exhibit of our museum, we are featuring the cultural, technological, and social transitions in the rice landscape. So, we are featuring sections where you can touch and learn more about the traditional and modern farm implements. You can also read about the beliefs in rice spirits during the pre-colonial world and the transitions from the colonial to the modern times. We also have dioramas on emerging farm practices such as ecological engineering and the palayamanayon, so farmers and extensionists can visualize more about this technology. One challenge here is to bring out the cultural and the social aspect of the transitions. So pag inisip kasi natin ng pagbabago, karamihan ay more na technological. So medyo challenge na maipakita na bahagi ang cultural at social changes sa rice landscape. And part of this changing landscape is the threat on climate change. So we are also featuring the relationship between climate change and rice, and also climate-ready rice varieties.
Dito sa bagong team namin sa museum, nagkaroon muna kami ng brainstorming para malaman kung ano ang dapat ilagay sa bago nating team, which is Transformation in Progress. Sa bawat display ay kumausap kami ng eksperto at latag sila ng mga bagay na maaring ipakita sa pamamagitan ng tinatawag na diorama. So, meron kaming diorama para sa traditional farming, meron ding diorama sa transplanting, at meron ding diorama sa ecological engineering.
The Transformations in Progress talks about the story of the rice field. So, its changes. What can people learn when they come here? They would actually get to have insight about how rice farming or rice fields have evolved from traditional practices to the use of modern ones for every exhibit. So it's not just simply, hopefully, hindi lang appreciation of rice culture, rice science and technology, but more of deeper understanding sana of how rice farming works. And it's not a matter na iisipin nila it's difficult to grow rice, yung ganun. But the idea that rice farming should be taken more seriously because it deals with a lot of things in people's everyday lives.